In 2025, having a Google business profile is essential for any business looking to increase online visibility and attract more customers. But simply creating a profile isn't enough. You need to optimize it to stand out in search results and on Google Maps. In this video, we'll share the best Google business profile optimization tips to help your business get noticed, engage more customers, and grow effectively. The first optimization tip is to complete your profile fully. Make sure your business name, address, phone number, website, and hours of operation are accurate and consistent across all online platforms. Add a detailed description of your products or services, including relevant keywords that customers might use to search for your business. A complete profile builds trust and improves your chances of appearing in local searches. Next, focus on adding high-quality photos and videos. Visual content makes your profile more attractive and engaging. Upload images of your storefront, team, products, or services, and consider posting videos showcasing what makes your business unique. Profiles with appealing visuals get more clicks, calls, and visits, so updating your media regularly can have a significant impact. Another key tip is to actively manage customer reviews. Encourage happy customers to leave reviews and respond to both positive and negative feedback. Replying professionally shows that you value customer opinions and are committed to providing excellent service. Reviews not only influence potential customers, but also help your profile rank higher in search results. Use Google Posts effectively by sharing updates, promotions, events, or special offers directly on your profile. Posting consistently signals that your business is active and engaged, which can increase interactions with potential customers. Additionally, leverage the Q&A section to answer common questions proactively, helping potential clients get the information they need quickly. Another important optimization strategy is to monitor your insights and analytics. Google Business Profile provides data on how customers find your profile, what actions they take, and which features are most effective. Analyzing this data allows you to refine your content, update your profile strategically, and improve engagement over time. Finally, consider enabling messaging and appointment features. Allowing customers to contact you directly or book services through your profile makes it easier to convert searches into sales or visits. These features enhance convenience, improve customer experience, and increase the likelihood of repeat business. By following these Google Business Profile optimization tips, completing your profile, adding visuals, managing reviews, posting updates, monitoring analytics, and enabling messaging, you can maximize your online presence, attract more customers, and grow your business in 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and business strategies, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Start optimizing your Google Business Profile today and watch your business visibility and customer engagement soar.